Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is PJ. As you know, in this channel we used to drop daily analysis on boom and crash step index. If you are watching this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel, and you can also like and comment on this video, share your experience, and you can also join our Telegram group. Guys, today I'm going to introduce to you another strategy that you can use to take a spike, and this is a very simple strategy. Even as a beginners, you can use this, and it's going to really help you to make a lot of profit in the market. The first thing I have to tell you is that this strategy only works on boom 1000 and boom 500. This is the strategy that only works on boom 1000 and the boom 500. Let me show you boom 1000. You see, we are having two indicator here, and the first thing that we are having is our RSI, which is our red line here, and we are having our average dimensional movements index. You see, this is the blue line. Anytime we have our blue line crossing above 80 to 90 level, and we have our red line that is crossing 20 to 10 level, then that is the right time for you to enter the market. So let me show you the settings of the strategy, so that you also can set it up on your phone or your system. So we have the RSI, which is our relative strength index. We have the period of 13. We have apply to close. We have our style to be in red color, and I have my level here, which is 90, 50, 10, 80, 20. You see that? So you can press on done, and I'm also having the second one, which is the average directional movement index. I have my period to be 20. I have my style to be in blue color. So the plus di there and the negative di is in white color, because that is the color of my background. So if you are using black background, so you can also choose black color where I choose the white color here. So when you press undone, then you have the settings on your chart. So what do you do, guys? Let me show you some example of what I mean by this. You see, when we have our movement index that is crossing above 80 towards to 90 level, that's the first confirmation that you need to do. And the second thing here is when you are having your RSI that is crossing below 20 to 10 level. You see, when these two accurate, when these two confirmation is accurate, that means it's rhyme with it, then you can easily enter your market, and before you know, you can begin to catch up your spike in the big way and make a lot of profit. You see, that is 5 minute time frames. You see how many profits you will make by that. So you just confirming these two entry, and when you confirm it, then you can easily enter your market. So I told you guys that I'm using the third zoom level. So in case if you want the zoom level, so let me show you some example of what I also means. You see, if it's just 2 times or 3 times that you can take this particular trade daily, then you can easily take up your profits every time. You see, what you only need to do is to confirm your moving index when it cross between the 80 and the 90 level, and then confirm your RSI that is crossing below the 20 and the 10. So when you confirm this, then you can enter your trade at this level. Then you keep on catching up your spike every time. Guys, this is exactly what is happening. You see, even if that RSI, like this particular time now, when this RSI is moving on the 20, you can even enter your market when you confirm the second entry here, that is going on 90 level. You can easily take up your spike, little spike here, but the market keep on reverse and keep on until it gets to this particular time. You see, so that's exactly what I told you guys to do. So as you know that we have tested this and it has really works. You see, the only thing you need to confirm is to confirm your entry. When you confirm your entry here, you see it's cross the 20 below towards to 10 level, and in between the two in between the 10 and the 20 is exactly time for you to enter the trade. And when you enter your trade, you can easily catch up this particular spike here. You can easily take up this spike now and exist your market. You see, something also happen here, and when you check your moving index at this moment now, you see that it's the moving index just cross 80 level. When it cross the 80 level now, you can still take up your trade at this moment. And if you take up your trade now, and you see now the market does not respect that level, but still there's still a spike. You just imagine that this spike is what is not enough for you to do your trade, you see. So there's no way you can get lost there, because it's still going to what to give out a spike for you to cover the loss. So guys, let me show you exactly because I said it only works on boom index, you see. It only works on boom index. So let me show you guys on boom 500. You see exactly this is what I told you guys to do. You see, anytime you have your confirmation at this level, now you see that the moving index have crossed above the 80 and it's going to 90 level. You can enter your market now, and you see that you have your second confirmation here at this level, which your RSI is either is in 20 level or is moved below the 20 level, which is going to 10 level. So you can easily enter the market and keep on enjoying your spiking and keep on making a lot of profit. You see, it happens time to time in trade. It happens time to time. So guys, if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel, and you can also click on the notification button to notify you when next I drop my next video. And you can also like and comment on this video, share your experience using this strategy or any strategy on the channel. And you can also join our Telegram group, is below the video description, so that you can enjoy a lot of benefit that our trader enjoy every day. Thanks.